What if you could paint the past and change the future? Noah, a curious 10-year-old boy, loved exploring his grandpa's old house. One stormy evening, he discovered a hidden attic filled with dust-covered canvases. In the center stood a mysterious golden easel with a note. Paint wisely, for every stroke changes time. Noah dipped his brush into a pot of swirling, shimmering paint. He hesitated, then painted a bright yellow sun onto an empty canvas. Suddenly, the attic windows burst open, and he was pulled into the painting. He landed in the same town, but 100 years ago. The sky was gloomy, and the sun was missing. People looked up in despair. His painted sun slowly appeared in the real sky, lighting up the world. The townspeople cheered. Noah realized his paintings could fix forgotten mistakes in history. He painted a bridge that was never built, saving villagers from floods. A tree that had been cut down, bringing back lost birds. A smiling child who had been left out of history books, now remembered forever. But then, Noah saw an unfinished painting of his own family. Something was missing. Noah's heart pounded. His great-grandfather was supposed to be in the painting, but he wasn't. Did something happen to him? He grabbed the brush and carefully painted his great-grandfather walking through a forest. The moment he finished, the room shook and the scene came to life. There, in the forest, was his great-grandfather, lost and alone. Noah called out to him, changing the past. History shifted, and his great-grandfather made it home safely. Back in the attic, Noah gasped as the painting faded into reality. A knock on the door startled him. His grandfather stood there, smiling, holding an old photograph, now complete. "You found him," his grandfather whispered, eyes full of gratitude. Noah had painted time itself and healed his family's past. The moral of the story: every action we take paints the future. Kindness and courage can change history, one stroke at a time.